Bruno the dog was playing in the garden when he heard a soft chirp, chirp. He followed the sound and found a baby bird on the ground. Its wing was hurt. Bruno gently picked it up and brought it to his owner. Smiled and said, "Good boy, Bruno. Let's help the little bird." Together, they cared for it. Bruno stayed by its side every day. Soon, the bird was strong enough to fly. It flew up into the sky, chirping happily. The next morning, the bird came back to visit. Bruno wagged his tail. They were now the best of friends.